All right, here we go. 2018 Gold Rush basketball jersey, one box break number 3. We've got Jesse with the Hawks, Heat, Clippers, and Raptors. Matinee with the Celtics, Bulls, Timberwolves, Mavericks, Rockets, 76ers, Lakers, and Bucks. Ben with the Hornets, Kings, Pelicans, Pistons, Nuggets, and Wizards. James with the Thunder, Magic, Spurs, Cavs, Suns, and Jazz. Doug with the Trailblazers, Seth with the Knicks, Noe with the Pacers and Grizzlies, and Ashok with the Warriors. All right, those are our teams for tonight. Good luck. Tonight's jersey goes to... Oh, man. Nice. For the Rockets, James Harden for the Rockets. Holy cow, nice hit. Matinee with the Rockets. There you go, man. That is a nice one for sure. I'll get that shipped out to you. Congrats. I appreciate everybody taking the spots for tonight. And I'll see you guys soon.